Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. And now you are thinking what we are going to do the unboxing for today. So I am going to show you guys the unboxing of this amazing Ferrari. This is new for 2025. It's a debut Ferrari for Hot Wheels K case. I think J case. Yeah. Hot Wheels J case 2025. It's a Ferrari SF90 Stradale. And it just came out and people are getting crazy for this car. And we can see why, right? Look at the car art. Look at the car. Look at the Ferrari logo. This looks perfect. But what do we do here? We unbox these cars. So let's open this up without damaging the card. So I'm going to use my blade a little so that I should not damage much of it. Yeah, that would be enough, I guess. Yes, I don't want to mess with the card art. Here is your Ferrari. The card is intact so far, somehow. And here's your Ferrari. Look at this. Look at that roof. Matte black painted roof. The wheels, the logo of Ferrari. Here's your base. This is the only Ferrari so far I got my hand on, and actually this is quite heavy. It feels a bit heavy than usual. I'm not sure if this is plastic or they might have put a metal base on it. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. People are going crazy over this car. This is so stock, simple, just the red color of the car with the black trim on the top. I should say the top is totally black, not just the trim. And it looks so perfect. And it makes perfect sense why people are crazy about this car, right? Hot Wheels is getting the license back after so long, and then they release in the basic line something like this. Guys, this is super hot. This car is super duper hot. Especially they put the headlights on it with the Ferrari logo. Man, love it. Love it. There is another one coming, I think, in the J case also. F40. Let's see if I can get my hands on it. Let's see. But till then, I'm going to enjoy having this car in my collection. I love it. So guys, this was your Ferrari for today. You can see there are a few other Ferraris in the background, but this is different. And I forgot to show you the engine details. They are actually very tiny details, but see, there are engine details on this. And of course, this is a Hot Wheels, so this will gonna roll better than any other make. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.